Again, in the review meeting today, we discuss about the status of the availability of oxygen throughout the state. I'm happy to inform to all the citizens of the state the stock of this particular component is still manageable throughout the state of Meghalaya. Therefore, I would request all the citizens of the state not to be panicky as far as oxygen supply is concerned. I would also like to inform the citizens of the state that immediately installation of oxygen generator in Shillong Civil Hospital of 6 units will be installed and will also be made functional latest by next week. With the commission of this generator in our civil hospital, once this 6 units is installed, we will be able to cut down the requirement of cylinders, and the surplus cylinders which is supposed to be spent, which is supposed to be utilized in civil hospital, will be distributed across the state. Kabaar kabang yashim ia ka review menta ka janmet apok ka jinglam jong chief minister badon buram jongi kalong ha ka jingedei bat ka jingdon ka stok ha ka bedei bat ka oxygen ngas ngau bahaban pentip ba ka stok jong ka oxygen kum balong hadu menta nakaliang jong ka state ngim don jing khuslai hakini ki khendiat sngi ki banwan bat ka wei ka bangi kwa ban nang penbun shu ya ka stok jong ka oxygen ngakwa ban pentip sepi ba ka state government kala state shu sahan reu teli ki oxygen generator bat barok kini ki reu teli ngin install hapo ka civil hospital Shillong. But daka bangile kumta ngibu ia ka target balakum dukumno hakane kata yo banwan kini ki oxygen generator kin tray kamno hapo civil hospital but ya kitu ki cylinder ki bangi jupundon kam hapo civil hospital nginla ya kaban spare lade ban phang syakleng kijaka jong kajela Meghalaya jongi baro kawai. Secondly, I am happy to inform that oxygen generator of 3 district headquarters, number 1 for Tura, number 2 for Jowai, and number 3 for Nongpo, is now already on the way. Hopefully within a week's time, these generators will reach the state, and the moment these generator reaches the state, we are going to install immediately. We are going to install immediately in these 3 district headquarters, Tura, Jowai, and Nongpo. And I would like to also inform that commissioning of these oxygen generators again will be made functional by first part of June 2021. Kawaipat kebenta kabaar kabangakwa ban pentip hang ni. Hakabayadai bat kajing penmi yaki oksigen. Ngasngau bahaban pentip baki oksigen generator na kabentak ki lightly ki district headquarter kabenengkong katura kabaar kajuai bat kabalai kan nongpo menta kiladon halenti banpoi syaka jela kajongi. Nakaliang joka health department kala penkre syaj nak mentaban install yakin niki generators but ngikermen scam hakatayo kabenengkong jong ubenai ubanwan kabamut ubenai jun nginla ya kaban pentrekam yakin niki lightly ki oxygen generator hapo kiniki lightly ki district headquarter na katakadaw kabangakwa ban pentip na kabenta kajing tip jong ki pajba nok sok snong jong ka jela ka jongi kalong ba ngimdei ban khuslai ya kajing don jong ka oxygen kham tam andang laldep ban install ban commission ban pentrekam ya kini ki generator hakini ki district headquarter ki baper. The next decision that we taken today in the review meeting is, I think you all remember last year we used to have the cluster or community quarantine centers. That time we call cluster or community quarantine centers. So this time we decided in the review meeting that cluster or community isolation center will be created in every district. Up to the community level, depending upon the situation, depending upon the requirement, and this decision is now being communicated to all the deputy commissioners for necessary action. These centers will cater those positive cases which is asymptomatic or falls under category A and B. They can be kept, they can be isolated in such created centers as they don't need for medical treatment, be it in the hospital, district or in Shillong. To prevent the unnecessary pressure of the hospitals in the state, therefore, we decided and authorized the deputy commissioners in consultation with the respective BDOs in charge, officers in charge, as well as with the concerned Dorbar Shnong, Committee Shnong, government will immediately step in for any necessary assistance. Mensyemsnem ngidon kitu ki community quarantine centers. Haki Shnong ki baper hapok kejela. Tenrai mentangi ong dakawe pat ke kerteng, bat kata ke kerteng kelong cluster lane community isolation centers. Kini ki centers ki bangi hap ban kreat lane ki bangi hap ban bu. Kalong kat kum kajing idon kam. Ha ki jajaka ki ba idon kam. Bat yakane ngila aibor. Ha ki deputy commissioners. Rengkat bat ki BDO. Rengkat ru bat ki nong sensyar snong ki nong sensyar tau. Ki bor snong ki committee snong. Bangin pej haka jaka ka ba idon kam. Bang idai bandon. Ya kaneka isolation center. Kenang ban pensuk. Nemuan ya kitu ki bayo ya ka positive case. Kabangi ong mild symptom. Lane kabangi ong asymptomatic. Lane ki bangi ong let's say haka kategori A. Lane kategori B. Ki bom dadon kam ba ngin pa ya ki siapo ki hospital. Lakalong ha district. Lani lakalong hapo ka state level barok kawe. Te ban kam pendunai ka presyo na katakadaw nilaray na ka sorkar bangin ailat haki deputy commissioners bakin le yaka badun kam. But haka jingbu yaki bakum kini ki isolation centers ka sorkar kan sa ay jingarap kat kum ka jing don kam jong kini ki centers hakeleng jong kajela kajongi. Bat kabangi plan syu kalong bahakini ki centers lada idon kam ka team nakaliang jong ka health department. Let's say lada ka situation ka ong yangi bangi hap ban provide what ye ki concentrator su nakaliang jong ka sorkar ngi perkhat ban ngi long ready ban le kumta te kumta ngakar pat yakin nong song snong ki nong song thau hapo ka jela me kala jongi tongin ye trelang kampam ngada khot kerpang ya ka jing ye trelang sa sisen pat bat ki nong sensyar snong ka senjuk ki nong sensyar snong kisem ki doloi kinokma bat kumju uru ki rangba snong ki committee snong ki baper bangin ya trelang hakabakum kanika crisis hakabakum kanika por kabangingi kendu namar bakakis kanang keo nakawe kasngi syakawe pat kasngi. And the last issue that we discussed today in the afternoon in the review meeting was relating to the confusion that has happened in few instances relating to disposal of dead bodies. Let me come again. We also discussed today in the review meeting relating to the confusion on the disposal of the dead bodies. Few instances were detected where ultimately the concerned organization, maybe Sengraj, Sengkasi, or the fellowship group, or any group, what we seen was they were scared to take the dead body. They were scared to even conduct the rituality as done in the normal time. So we would like to request, therefore, from the government, now, please don't hesitate to dispose of the dead body, because those dead bodies who died out of COVID-19, the protocol was already in place where the dead body was properly wrapped, and then thereafter the relative will take over the dead body. Of course, we don't allow the dead body to be brought inside the house. It should be outside the house for few hours, then take to the place wherever needed for the final disposal. So we would request, therefore, all concerned not to be scared. Number two, you can perform and you can also do the necessary with full protection materials. PPE will be provided to those houses where the death happened. We will provide PPE at least for few people to take care of the dead body. Menta kajanmit ngiya kren ru hakajing ra ya kamet yap jong kitu kibayap na kajing pang COVID-19 don ki case kiba teng teng piong na kaliang kanyam na kaliang kakenhun ka baper ki septing wat ya kaban ra lane ban sim ya kamet ban pendep ya kamet kabadangsa kum kariti kedustur lane kum kanyam karukom kabaki jule ki septing mdei tang ki bhayeng mdei ki septing kalong wat kitu ki parolok ki prajor lane kinong yalam hakiniam hakiseng ki baper tingi kwa ban pensyai kedar hang ni ban nakaliang jong ka sarkar ngi kwa ban ong ya pi ba wat septing hooj hakapor ba phimut ban ra ya kamet hakapor ba phimut ban sim ya kamet la kalong na hospital saying se compound lani na compound yeng ban lech se ka jakat thang le ni se ka jakat tep ngin penbiang ya kitiariada kabangi ong ki PPE ha ki bakum kita ki jajin bat ha ki bakum kita ru ki sengniam lani ki kunhun balang lani ki kunhun niam baper kat ki badon hapo kajela mekla jongi ngide kerpat namar kata bak phimdei ban shepting lani phimdei ban ong ba phimnut ban pendep ya kamet ka badangsa namar ba phi shepting yo bit utu knyang jingpang terenga ong e phi da ka basai na kaliang ka health department kalapen kre na dong sedong bad hakapor baki thep asenduk ya kamet ru lane leki bom thep asenduk ru nrei ya karukom sop karukom spine na dong sedong na kaliang jong ka health department na kaliang jong ki doctors na kaliang jong ki nurse kilabu lepai ka protokol kumno ban penbit penbiang ya ka bakum kata khnang ba ngin lai na ka jing sapriang jong uniu knyang jingpang. Vaccination drive of the age 18 to 44 will start from tomorrow. So I would like to request, because see, today when health department open the portal, Here, especially in Shillong, it was already full. The slot was already full. Even in the other districts, the sign says that 18 to 44 people are willing to go for vaccination. So our request is this, because we don't want a rush. So we have already regulated in a way that those persons concerned will get the detailed information through their mobile. It will be indicated over there, and from the area where they registered, it will be instructed, you reach that particular vaccination center at that time. And I would request all the concerned stakeholders to follow those messages very, very strictly and clearly. Kabaar kami keren meneh hapok review meeting kalong hakabedei bat kitu ki khatpra hadu saus nem hakabingin sedang ban ai ya kaneka injection leneka tika nadu lasai kasngi ngan syethu ipi ba hadin ba ya katuk portal la play ngio i ya kajing state ki pajba ban wan ban register na kabenta kane ka injection tika ai kabingi penbait kalong ba ngila ai ru instruction hapok health department ba kin regulate kin da penbait ba kan numdon ka rosh hak itu ki vaccination center ba ki day ban boot perking ya katu ka messages ka bakin sayo hakim mobile jongki namar ba indicate hang tu what ya kapor ka timing bakan no baje ba kindon hak itu ki jaka ki ba ngin ai ka tu injection hot ke ya kedeka yakini ki jakar kala identify na kala health department te ke detail ngatrai i DHS pidon ka detail yakitu ki vaccination centers namata narula sa
ajan baro mungkin ki district headquarters na dawsa tang clear up clear yang labu clear up hot jan baro ki district headquarters nang election tong tu makin ngile kat kum ka jingyo jong ki doses vaccine doses only. The information which I have received till today afternoon is that all of them have not been vaccinated, but I have not taken into consideration whether they have got the first dose or not. So that full vaccination, the record I got is that none of them have been fully vaccinated. But whether they have been given the first dose or not, that I will communicate later.
Okay, yes, I got your point. See, right now, I'm happy to inform to all of you, and this is also for the information of citizens of the state. Government of India, in addition to the ration card that we have, has also allotted us additional allotment of rice. Additional allotment for the month of May and for the month of June. And this will help the beneficiaries to the tune of 21,50,000 people. 21,50,000 people throughout the state through NFSA. Kebangakwa ban pentip hang ni kalong ha kane ka jingjia ha kane ka jing yakun jongi ya kane ka klam kabas ngutenat kalong managa government of India kala ai jeng rap ya ki pajba nong song snong jong ka jela ka jongi ki badon ya kane ka kat roshan kabangi ong kabakidon hapo ka NFSA ki bajuyo ka roshan hakador laiteng ka si kilo ka sarkar India ka ai menta yaki sashi sen uwe kamut ka allotment ka bagi sew laiteng ka sakawe pat ka allotment ka bamdon kam sew ram ka bakinyo san kilo shikle shibanai But kani country kam na kamta uni ubnai Mei, but na kamta ubnai June. Katakan long kawai na kilat jingarap, ya kitu kit baduk ki berjenjar ba une ukau yo kin yo na kamta artli kini ki benai, ubnai ubasan bad ubnai uban riu. Sakaway, kabangan suka ban penbej hang nei yang ka review meeting. The review meeting that we had today, the lockdown specifically we decided for East Khas Hills. Okay, you correct it. The lockdown is specifically meant for East Khas Hills. However, as far as other districts, we have already authorized concerned deputy commissioners to take necessary decision on the ground as the case arises. Hakabidai bat kini ke lockdown, kabangi sim karai na kaliang sorkar haka review meeting kalong specifically ya ka East Khas Hills. Specifically ya ka East Khas Hills, henrei hakabidai bat kiwei ki district. Namar balai namar don ki district ke bakila declare hi ke lockdown ha ka district ki jongki la ka jong ngilayo i ki kot kubor te ka bang kwa ban ong ba ha ka day bat ke East Khas Hills pat ngi declare ke lockdown ngi extend ye ke lockdown nadu ka khat nyeu terik san baji mestep hadu ka arpho sau terik san baji mestep jong une uju ubnai.